We typically like to resolve issues with customers. We work on new product recommendations, and we also just kind of ensure satisfaction of our materials. Personally, I really like the customer interfacing. I really enjoy going to customers' sites and being able to, see what they're doing in real time, especially whenever, we are so far removed from the how do you make this process. And so going into customers and just seeing a car being put together door by door, seat by seat, it's a super unique experience. And I think also being in the lab is nice. So it's nice to have like a 50-50, customer interfacing, but I also still get to be a scientist and I get to play with glue and I get to have fun and make a mess. And I think having both sides of that, kind of a more professional side, but also having a very creative side to the role is like an ideal mixture for me. Yeah, the application engineering role to customers is very important. It's important to have someone who's very knowledgeable about the products and able to provide that real-time support. We also can, validate the performance and specifications of our products, which is, something that you might not get at all companies. We typically will perform lab testing as requested, especially if there is an application that is unusual or unique. And so that's something that's super unique to Parker Lord here, is that you get real people in real time. So localized application engineering support is critical to providing more of a personalized experience for the customer. We are very familiar with regional technical applications as well as environmental conditions, which suits our product line well, as we have a large variety of products that perform at different chemistries and at different temperatures and different applications. And also having our team here in the United States and able to travel either globally or nationally, we're able to visit on site for any issues or concerns or questions that a customer may have. We have a huge range of interdisciplinary engineering. So that can mean that you have a mechanical engineer, but we also have an electrical engineer, we have chemical engineers. And why this is important, because even if we have an issue that maybe is not my specialty, I can always go back to my team and have them, review it with me, and you can really have that kind of think tank aspect of solutions. And so also we each have our own individual regions, which is great because I can make sure that I'm super familiar with that specific, climate, that specific, application range. A lot of times in a region, you'll have pretty similar applications. So it's very nice to be able to just be super familiar with the process and the people and the area that you're going into. And then that typically in that region will just be me. However, if it's a larger client or customer and we need additional support, I've definitely taken 2 or 3 of my coworkers with me before. And we don't need a lot of notice either. If we're having a very large issue where there's a line down, you are not being able to make parts that you need to make with our material, we can fly out, as soon as next day. We definitely make time for our customers, and we can always be very flexible in our schedule. And I think that is also something that I love about my job, is that we can be flexible. And I think most of our team can agree that we enjoy helping people. And so being able to help people at any time is very rewarding in this role. Parker Lord's application engineering is very unique in that we are very personable. We are very easy to reach. We have an internal helpline as well as an external helpline that may be called or emailed. And that helpline is sourced directly to me or another application engineer on our team. So when you call for help, you don't get AI or a computer, you get me, straightforward, and able to hop on a call or go in person to visit, which, with a larger company may not be a super popular choice, is to be able to go straight to your customer and always visit. But we like to just provide that hands-on support so every customer knows that they're getting a quality product.